Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with an adorable Easter swag kit for the 2021 Easter season. Easter's a little bit later this year at the beginning of April, so you have plenty of time to grab everything you need to decorate your home and your front door for the upcoming holiday. And this one is so adorable because we use this super fun peep stem. It's got a little bit larger of a peep on it in 3 colors. And he's got kind of like a velvety shine to him, but then he's got some glitter on the back. So it's perfect if you're not a super into glitter kind of person. This is a really nice one for you. And we're gonna pair it with this really fun wildflower stem. It's got all the fun colors on it as well. And we're gonna make a swag kit that you can use either on a grapevine, a boxwood, or a lantern. So for right now, I'm gonna create it and kind of twist it onto this grapevine. But if you have a boxwood wreath at home, or maybe you have a moss wreath, it'd be really cute. And then also, you can also make this one for a lantern, just kind of tie it on there a little bit lower. So we're gonna start out with working with the stems. You're gonna take the peep stem. I'm not gonna open them up too much. I'm just gonna pull on them a little bit, kind of move them around, open it up, and then kind of move these little sparkly stems to the back. Then I'm gonna take my mixed little wildflower bush. I keep saying wildfire, don't I? Wildflower. You're gonna open that one up too. Fluff every little stem on there. It's all wired. So now that you've got that one fluffed, you're just gonna lay that peep stem right on top of it. And then that way you can kind of work with them together. So you're gonna wanna pull like maybe this little purple flower kind of down, bring this pink one up. Just make sure you can see all the different flowers. And then I like the way that it mixes with the little fun glittery stems too. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna tie our bow. So to bring out the colors of that pink peep, I chose the big pink and white dot. And then we're also gonna pair it with this fun green background with the green, pink, and yellow. And that ties in all the colors of the peep. So we're gonna start with our bow and we're gonna make 2 loops of the pink and white. Okay, and now I'm going to cut that. And then I'm going to take that smaller ribbon right on top. Make a couple loops of that one. Leave that tail a little longer. Now you're ready to tie with your cloth covered wire. Right in the middle where you're holding that. And then you're going to attach this one right at the bottom of your stem. Since I tied that in a knot, I'm going to set this aside for a minute because I forgot to chop the bottoms of my stems off. So I don't want to cut them too short like usual, just so they don't fall apart. But I do want to cut some of this off just so you don't see it when you attach it to your wreath. I'll just go and chop that. Oh, it doesn't want to go. There we go. Okay, so now we're ready to take that bow. We're going to attach it right above this pink flower, kind of in between the pink and yellow peep. Just kind of pull them to the side. You can always adjust them later. We can always move things around. And you're just going to tie that in the knot onto your stems. Okay, so now you're ready to twist it onto your wreath. So you can see on a grapevine wreath, it actually takes up quite a bit when you add the ribbon. And we're going to move things around too to kind of get it to fill in even more. So let me find my wire. We're going to twist it right on. Here. There we go. All right, I've twisted that on and now we're ready to move stuff around and fluff it. So I'm going to bring that pink peep over. Definitely bring this yellow peep back up. He kind of fell a little bit, and then I'm going to take that to the back, adjust all that, bring a flower to the middle. Now you're ready to cut those tails. Okay, there's another tail, and there's one back there. So that is super cute. This is perfect if you have a grapevine at home, you want to refurbish it. I'm going to twist it off and show it to you on a couple other things. So say you want to put this on a lantern. I would leave it the same way we've made it, but I would attach it lower than you normally do. So maybe you might need a pipe cleaner or something a little bit sturdier But then I would just attach it right here like a really fun, slightly larger lantern topper. Look how cute that is. And so a lot of people like their lanterns a little bit bigger and showier, and this would be the perfect thing to add onto the top of that. And you know, you can always put it onto a boxwood or a moss wreath as well. The other thing I love about this is how fun would it be on maybe your mailbox? You could do it like a swag down there. It'd be super cute outside for Easter. So go ahead and head over to shopdeeslouisville.com and check it out.